Hey everyone, welcome to NJC Vlogs. I know it's been a pretty long time since I last uploaded a video, but nonetheless, here I am to give you a message on heritage and heritage in Goa, being the World Heritage Day today. Our Goa is known to be one of the most renowned tourist destinations in India, or in the entire world actually, based on the tourists that actually visit the state. What is it that makes Goa this famous? Now, as a youngster, I've come across many stories, genuine situations where people know Goa more for its parties, casinos, not forgetting its beaches. A state once so peaceful and known for its hospitable people is now known to be a tourist destination for all the wrong reasons. How did this happen? Who let it happen? And can we change it? Now, these are some questions that we need to ponder upon. The answer to all these questions, we already have them. And to a great extent, we ourselves are to be blamed for a variety of reasons. But can we change this? Yes, we can. Like there is a saying, it is better late than never. There is a lot that makes Goa what it is. Right from our greenery, to our food, to our culture, tradition, houses and so on. We need to revive these things. How many of the tourists that visit Goa, on being questioned, know about our culture and tradition? For example, if you ask any tourist in terms of how was their visit to Goa and how did they enjoy their food and beverages, they will actually talk to you about how cheap it is to get alcohol and how cheap it also is in the entire country. Now that's a very pathetic and sad way of discussing tourism in our home state of Goa. Thus, if you see, there is a lot that makes Goa what it is, and there is a lot that we can also consider as heritage, which includes our culture and traditions too. Now it is very shocking or very sad to see our government having inadequate laws in terms of heritage. They may have laws for preserving heritage monuments, structures, houses and so on, but these laws have no formal methodology, inadequate budget allocation, and as a whole, these laws can be considered as inadequate in terms of heritage preservation. And because of this, Goa is literally dying every single day. Well, it is time we take interest in the Goa of yesteryears, bring out the best for what it was known for as compared to the fame it now derives from the various social evils that we experience. Now, heritage being the most important topic of this video and having a day dedicated to it worldwide, it is my humble request that we all take advantage in sharing this knowledge on the Goan heritage that we have and making Goa famous on that basis. Well, there have been many groups like the Goa Heritage Action Group which have consistently been after the government to declare sites as heritage sites or protected sites, monument structures and so on. Until date, they are working tirelessly. Now, it's always good to have a lot of people, join the cause, because there is a lot of history to Goa that is still untold and it needs to be unraveled, and we can do that only if we are able to see a Goa that our ancestors have kept in order to preserve and protect, rather than destroying it and portraying a Goa that was never meant to be. Well, this was my message and I hope you got the message. Do share it with your family and friends, as I feel Goa needs to have a more cleaner image as compared to what it has as of today's times. This is me, NJC, signing off. Until next time, take care, stay safe and God bless.